We're supposed to be investigating a crime scene when Johnny stabbed Bob and the Outsiders.
I talked to Officer Forgy about setting up a crime scene so the kids could learn how to collect evidence and to give them a chance to get out of the normal classroom, give them a hands-on activity.
The news media. It's really fun. We just get to be really pushy and annoying, and police officers are just trying to hold us back and just saying that they can't give us any information.
I was a police officer protecting the perimeter from reporters, the media, etc. We had a few reporters that were very pushy, and they were definitely trying to sneak around, and they were trying to ask as many questions as they could, trying to get slipped information. And my team of police officers, we didn't let anything go by.
4 police officers who are guarding the perimeter. We have 4 investigators who are collecting evidence, taking photos. We also have our prosecutor here. We also have our media here who is asking questions. They're not finding out very much information. And then we have our medical examiners here who are going to examine the body and try to determine the cause of death. Catch up for the blood, yes. And we have our switchblade and we have our body. And then we have different items around the body to use for evidence that they'll use to try to get fingerprints off of. They're learning how to collect DNA and what the process is for that as well.
This is fun for me. I like being annoying, so.
There was some independence to it, but there was still a group of people and we had a lot of fun with it. I think this teaches some students about the real jobs that people have, and it shows us what the real world is like.
If any of them are interested in going to law enforcement later in life or possibly doing CSI type of work or working in labs, gives them a good idea of what they need to learn and what's involved to be able to do it.
I cannot release that information to the public. Can't confirm or deny.